Buongiorno amici di TechCrunch. My name is Matteo Panini. I'm the founder of ixoost. It's a startup company from Modena, Italy. I'm very proud to show you my idea, my object, and my philosophy, because everything starts in our DNA in Modena that is really connected with the racing car. The exhaust concept starts from this. This is an exhaust manifold that came from an original Formula 1 cars. Normally when you see an exhaust, you can think about a sound engine, but can be in the same time a melody. And if you think about melody, of course, you can think about music. And for me, it has been normal to think that the sound of your MP3 device must come outside from this exhaust. The dock is made totally by hand, so we start from a solid block of aluminium, and then each part is made by a tooling machine that works with a very high professional quality. So we have no casting, and thanks by this reason, our final customer can decide a lot of different options to create a really personal audio dock system.